Richie, let me have your toy. Give it to me. Now. Come on. What's it? Knock it out, mouth. That's knock that out. I did. You share. You're so serious over this toy. You've never done this before. Look at your pile of toys over there. I could take any one of those and you wouldn't care. Can I please have this one? I'm going to take it. 3, 2, 1. Buddy, you're scaring me big time right now. Okay, you win. You win. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Look at you. You literally look like a crocodile right now. I pet you, and now I take your toy. I'm going to take it. I'm going to go underneath your body. I'm going to take it. Did anyone ever teach you manners? Just going to take it. It's okay. Oh, buddy, you scare me. Right now, you scare me. You're like the white mamba.